Taking a look at my parts list, the thickness of the top gussets need to be 3/4 of an inch. As it currently sits, my board is about an inch thick. Now it's important that I plane this at its longer state before cutting this down into the smaller finished length pieces, because small pieces don't work very good in the planer. And I can progress down to 3/4 of an inch thickness, measuring it periodically. My board is now an oversized 21 inches in length by a finished 2 1/4 inches width by a finished 3/4 inches thick. This will yield me enough material to get my 2 gussets.